si Irisha naman, sobrang innocent nung batang yon. It's just parang pagkatapos niyang kumanta, gusto mong kargahin, iuwi na lang at gawing keychain. Kasi sobrang cute niya. But there was a certain innocence na parang kailangan natin. It's so timely. Kasi sa daming nangyayari sa mundo natin ngayon, it's so timely that we need to hear angels sing again. So, thank you, Irisha. You really made us feel good. Tumatak sa performance ni Irisha, I think yung tumatak sa akin, yung song choice for her. It was swak na swak, perfect na perfect for Irisha. And kung paano siya mag-connect sa song na yun, hindi niya kailangan intindihin. She became the song. So, it's awesome.